I'm Arun from Stigmata Techno Solutions. We have created a product ERP for school. We will show you a demo where this ERP will be addressing some painful areas of schools, uh, including students management, staff management, automatic mark sheet production, automatic mark sheet generation. They can able to see the fees automation, like how much is the pending fee, how much is the partial payment done by each and every student according to the class. So from student module you can able to add the students. Okay, so you can add student according to the session. Okay, so you can able to view all the added students in the manage details. Okay, so you can able to take printout of this, and you can anywhere in the future you can able to edit all these data. So in staffs as well as you can able to add staff details. You can generate a login for staff. Okay, so this is a staff add page, so you can able to add staff. Okay, and in manage detail you can able to see the staffs and the staff username and password for logging in. Okay, so you can able to see the username and password for it. Okay, so in marks you can able to add the staff can log in. Okay, and they can able to add only the respective standard uh, students marks. So so we are selecting quarterly assessment and academic year 19. You can able to add all the data like fourth standard A, student name. Automatically the student name of that particular class you can able to view and you can select. So we have followed Tamil Nadu's Samasir Kalvi standard here. So automatically the grade would be calculated. So we can enter the marks. You can select the grade here and total working days, number of days present. Okay, and which day we are generating the progress report. And submit. So it's submitted. Okay, so we have created this application using Java. Okay, so you can able to take printout of the standard wise or each and every student by clicking on mark details. You can select the respective standard. You can see the data which we have added right now. So you can click on more details. You can able to see the elaborated mark sheet here. You can, so in down you will have a print option. You can click on print. You can take the marks. So this can be extended to email option as well. Okay, also WhatsApp option as well in future. So this mark sheet can be given to parents, respective parents detail of the particular student as email as well as in WhatsApp. So finally, we have addressed the painful area of fees management as well. Okay, so you can see you can able to add the complete fee structure here. Okay, for each and every standard. So total fees you can add, special fees you can add. Okay, and in fee details you can see the entered fees details. So you can select which standard student you want to see how much he has paid till now. So you can able to see how much he has paid monthly wise, or the special fee and total fee and computer fee. So you want to right now many small schools are maintaining it in a ledger wise. So it is very hard to see this ledger. Also this data cannot be handled securely because somebody can able to change the ledger also. So we have automated it. So the respective principal can take the printout of it, and they can able to see how much the particular student has paid in monthly. Also they can see the whole pending details. For example, monthly how much students has to pay how much, so they can able to see how much the pending amount the students has to pay. So you can see the list of students for they have to pay. Right now we have deployed it in 2 schools. This is a demo application. So right now we have deployed it in Java server, and we have given a global link so they can able to access it anywhere. So thank you for watching. If you have any enquiries, you can comment us, get in touch with us directly.